ओम सहनावतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। ओम श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयं। नत्वा सरस्वतीं देवीं शुद्धां पुण्यां करोम्यहं। पाणिनीयप्रवेशाय लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुदीं सुप्रभातं स्वागतम्। ओके, इदानीं वयं किं किं दृष्टवन्तः वा पठितवन्तः तस्मिन् विषये किञ्चित् परिशीलनं कुर्मः। कारणम् अद्य अहं सूत्रप्रभेदाः आरम्भं कर्तुम् इच्छामि। प्रथम सूत्रस्य आरम्भमपि कर्तुम् इच्छामि। तद् मम मनसि एवम् अस्ति। समयानुगुणं पश्यामः। ओके, इदानीं प्रथमप्रश्नं भवन्तः उत्तरं दातुं प्रयत्नं कुर्वन्तु। अहं चिन्तयामि सर्वे उत्तरं जानन्ति इति। पाणिनि एकाकी अस्ति वा वैयाकरणः? पाणिनि एकाकी वैयाकरणः आसीत् अस्ति? हेमा राव।
No, Panini is before also there were Vyakaranas. After Panini also there were Vyakaranas.
बहु सम्यक्। ओके, विजयश्री के कानिचन नामानि भवती जानाति? वैयाकरणाः अहं
कात्यायन कात्यायन और
केवलं कात्यायनस्य नाम जानाति? न? ओके, अनुराधा अन्यनाम मनसि अस्ति?
पतञ्जलि भट्टोजी दीक्षितः।
पठितवती तिलकराव महोदयस्य पुस्तकं?
आं पठितवती।
ओके,
मनसि न तिष्ठति।
स्मरणे न तिष्ठति, तत् सत्यं। अनुराधा अन्यनामानि भवती जानाति?
मुनित्रयं कात्यायन वररुचि पतञ्जलि।
कात्यायन वररुचि। कात्यायन वररुचि एकः एव। कात्यायन वररुचि मुनित्रयं एकः एव।
पाणिनि कात्यायन पतञ्जलि
पतञ्जलि। ओके, कात्यायनस्य अन्य नाम वररुचि। ओके, एवम् अस्ति। ओके, अन्य वैयाकरणाः स्मरणे अस्ति नामानि?
भट्टोजी दीक्षितः, नागेश भट्टः।
नागेश भट्टः। ओके, बहु सम्यक्, नागेश भट्टः।
These names I was seeing in the lesson. Kayyatobhatyaya.
Okay.
These names I saw I was going through in the book.
तिलकराव महोदयस्य पुस्तकं। तत्र एव, अतः एव अहं पठतु इति उक्तवती न। ओके, रामु महोदय, भवतः मनसि किं किम् अस्ति?
आचार्य वामनः, आचार्य जयदेवः, भर्तृहरि,
भर्तृहरि,
वरदराजभट्टाचार्यः
वरदराजभट्टाचार्य बहु किं महत्वपूर्ण किमर्थं स्मरणे लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुदी यत् वयं पठिष्यामः ओके अस्माकं उद्देश्यं लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुद्याः आरम्भं संज्ञाप्रकरणम् ओके ओके विवेक अन्य नामानि स्मरणे अस्ति
यस मैम जितेंद्र बुद्धि
जितेंद्र बुद्धि
भर्तृहरि वासुदेव दीक्षितः रामचंद्राचार्य नागेश भट्ट
पर्याप्तं पर्याप्तं इदानीं ग्रन्थाः ग्रन्थानां नामानि स्मरणे अस्ति
as for homework I have already
अष्टाध्यायी प्रथमम् अन्य नामानि
yes अष्टाध्यायी then just I'll read from what I have महाभाष्य पतंजलि
महाभाष्यं पतंजलेः
वार्तिकं कात्यायनः फिर वरदराज भट्टाचार्य लघु सिद्धांत कौमुदी वाक्यदीपयम् भर्तृहरि परिभाषेन्दु शेखर नागेश भट्ट परिभाषेन्दु शेखर नागेश भट्ट परिभाषेन्दु शेखर
ओके यदा कोऽपि MA करोति न अनुराधा विजयश्री MA MPhil PhD लेवल तत्र तो एतत् सर्वम् आगच्छति सिलेबस् मध्ये आगच्छति परिभाषा व्हाट इज इट विवेक नाम वदतु परिभाषा
परिभाषेन्दुशेखर
परिभाषेन्दुशेखरः अनन्तरं इतोपि किम् अस्ति प्रौढमनोरमा
बालमनोरमा
बालमनोरमा बालमनोरमा तत्त्वबोधिनी एतत् सर्वम् आगच्छति
वैयाकरणभूषणसारम्
भूषणसारः
पदमञ्जरी
लघुशब्देन्दुशेखरः
ओके एवं ओके इदानीम् अन्य किम् अस्ति
काशिकया व्याकरणं दट् इस् न्यासः पदमञ्जरी काशिकया व्याकरणं
ओके काशिका विषये आगच्छामि तत्र काशिका कौमुदी
ओके
तत्र कंपैरिजन बहु महत्वपूर्ण अस्ति आगच्छामि तत्र
ओके
पाणिनि विषये किञ्चित् हिस्ट्री कोऽपि जानाति पाणिनेः मातुः नाम पितुः नाम कुत्रापि पठितम् अस्ति
पुस्तके अस्ति परन्तु मस्तके न तिष्ठति इदानीं पुस्तकं कुत्रापि मम लगेज् मध्ये अस्ति
केवलं क्यूरियोसिटी
पुस्तकं मम बाक्स् मध्ये अस्ति I just returned from Chennai I took it for my oral exam so I have to look for me
चलति चिन्ता मास्तु ओके
he is from Pakistan that much I know
पाणिनेः पितुः नाम पणिः पणिः इति तस्य नाम अतः पाणिनिः एतस्य नाम ओके वसुदेवः वासुदेवः वयं जानीमः। धृतराष्ट्रः धार्तराष्ट्रेयः वयं जानीमः, तद्धितमस्ति न?
आदिवृद्धि
अतः
पत्यं
पाणिः इति पितुः नाम, पाणिनिः इति पुत्रस्य नाम। तदनन्तरम् इतोपि अन्य एकः नाम अस्ति। मातुः नाम दक्षा। मातुः नाम दक्षा. All this is not important, this is just curiosity factor. Okay. मातुः नाम दक्षा, अतः तस्य अन्य नाम अस्ति दाक्षीपुत्रः। ओके, दाक्षीपुत्रः। इदानीं हेमावती उक्तवती सः पाकिस्तानीय अस्ति। तस्मिन् काले पाकिस्तान न was not existent at all. Okay.
आधुनिक पाकिस्तान।
तस्मिन् काले लाहौर इत्यस्य नाम आसीत् शालातुरः। ओके, शालातुरः इति लाहौर, अस्माकं काले लाहौर इति यद् वयं वदामः तस्य नाम शालातुरः इति आसीत्। अतः
शालातुर्यः।
अतः तस्य पाणिनेः अन्य नाम शालातुरीयः। ओके, अवगतम्? इदानीं पाणिनि किं किं लिखितवान् स्मरणे अस्ति? वदतु विवेक।
योग सिद्धांत, योग सूत्र।
योग पाणिनि, पतंजलि न, पाणिनि।
अष्टाध्यायी न मैम?
अष्टाध्यायी एकं, द्वितीयं अन्य ग्रन्थाः अपि तेन रचिताः?
No, I'm not aware of others.
Okay, Ramu Mahoday. Any other books names came across?
No idea.
No idea. Vijayashri?
He has written many, but Mastake nasti.
Okay, Vismritam. Anuradha? No? Okay. Hema Shankar?
Same thing. My answer is already given. You can put ditto for everything. At least for another 2 weeks. I'm still recovering from my travel.
Okay, jet lag, huh?
Not jet lag, which is
मैम
mental
पाणिनि
fatigue.
अष्टकम, अष्टिका, शब्दानुशासनम, वृत्तिसूत्रम,
Vrittisutram, Moodasutram.
No.
What of
एवं न.
that is the same thing.
Okay. पाणिनि पञ्च व्याकरणग्रन्थाः रचितवान्. ओके, एकं काव्यमपि रचितवान्. व्याकरणविषये किं किं रचितवान्? धातुपाठः, गणपाठः, लिङ्गानुशासनं, शिक्षाशास्त्रम्. ओके, and of course अष्टाध्यायी. ओके, अवगतं? कारणम् अष्टाध्याय्यां धातुविषये यत् लिखितम् अस्ति तत्तु धातुपाठे वयं प्राप्नुमः। तदेव गणविषये यत् लिखितम् अस्ति तत्तु वयं गणपाठे प्राप्नुमः। तदनन्तरं लिङ्गानुशासनं किम् अस्ति? लिङ्गनिर्णयम्। पुल्लिङ्गं, स्त्रीलिङ्गं, नपुंसकलिङ्गं, तस्मिन् विषये लिङ्गानुशासनम् इति पुस्तकं, what word which gender एवं पुस्तकम् अस्ति। तदनन्तरं शिक्षाशास्त्रं यदस्ति तद् अस्ति उच्चारणविषये, pronunciation rules or pronunciation what is it, guidelines. Okay. अनन्तरं महोदय एकं काव्यमपि रचितवान्, तस्य नाम अस्ति जाम्बवती परिणयः इत्यस्य नाम, परन्तु अस्मिन् काले न प्राप्तुं शक्नुमः, तत्तु अदृश्यम् अभवत्। ओके, अवगतम्? ओके, वार्तिककारविषये तु वयं जानीमः। हा, वार्तिककारस्य किं कारिका एकम् अस्ति, कार्यं किं कृतम्, उक्तानुक्तदुरुक्तानां चिन्ता यत्र प्रवर्तते तं ग्रन्थं वार्तिकं प्राहुः वार्तिकज्ञा मनीषिणः। ओके, अतः वार्तिककारः कात्यायनः, अस्मिन् सन्दर्भे तु वयं कात्यायनविषये वदामः। सः किं कृतवान्, किञ्चित् अधिकं ज्ञानं दत्तवान्। यत्र यत्र दुरुक्तम् अस्ति तत्र तत्र सम्यक् कृतवान्, यत्र अनुक्तम् अस्ति पूरितवान्। ओके, एवं तस्य कार्यम् आसीत्। In fact, out of 4,000, approximately 3,900 and something sutras, Vartikam has been given for at least around 2,000 sutras. So by the time Katyayana came in the picture, probably several modifications had happened, and therefore whatever Panini said seemed to be needing some addition or correction. That is a possibility. Okay. Tadanantaram agatam Patanjali. Patanjali Mahabhashyam likitavan Prashnam Uttaram in that format. Okay. Prashnam Uttaram, just like how he is teaching a student. Okay. So, Trimuni Vyakaranam iti vayam idanim asmin kale janimah. Okay. Okay. Idanim kim asti? Katham pataniyam. Katham vyakaranam pataniyam. Tatra Panineः कालः यदा आसीत् तस्मिन् समये प्रथमं गुरुकुले प्रवेशं करोति बालकः। प्रथमं सूत्राणां कण्ठस्थीकरणं, मन्दं मन्दम् अग्रे पठति, तत्र कथं किं सूत्रं कुत्र उपयोगं कर्तव्यं तस्य ज्ञानं प्राप्नोति स्म। ओके, अवगतं? that was the pattern. इत्युक्ते चिन्तनम् एवम् आसीत्, सूत्रमेव न जानाति चेत् उपयोगं कथं ज्ञास्यति। ओके, अतः प्रथमं सूत्राणां कण्ठस्थीकरणं, and that used to happen within 2-3 months. Okay, अग्रे अग्रे पठनं प्रचलति न, तस्मिन् समये सूत्रं कथम् उपयोगं करणीयं, कुत्र किं सूत्रस्य उपयोगम् अस्ति, परिणामः किम्, एतत् सर्वं मन्दं मन्दम् अग्रे गच्छति ज्ञानम्। ओके, एवम् आसीत् पठनरीतिः। ओके, तदनन्तरम् आगतं कः, भट्टोजी दीक्षित्। ओके, around 16th century. तत् भट्टोजी दीक्षित् महोदयः स्वयं अष्टाध्याय्याः सूत्राणां विषये लिखितवान्, परन्तु तदनन्तरं सः अपि किं गुरुः आसीत्, गुरुः अथवा टीचर्। अतः सः किं चिन्तितवान्, यः पठति तस्य कृते कथं सुलभं कर्तुं शक्नोमि इति तस्य मनसि चिन्तनम् आगतम्। अतः सः किं कृतवान्, प्रक्रियानुगुणं सूत्राणां विभजनं कृतवान्। प्रक्रियानुगुणं सूत्राणां विभजनं कृतवान्। एतस्य अर्थं किम्? यदा वयं राम इति मूलशब्दं स्वीकुर्मः, ततः रामः, रामेषु, रामाणां, तदस्ति प्रक्रिया। रामशब्देन आरम्भं, तदनन्तरं पदनिर्माणं वयं कुर्मः सन्दर्भानुगुणं। यदा अहं प्रथमा विभक्ति इच्छामि तदा रामः इति अहं प्राप्नोमि। यदा अहं सप्तमी बहुवचनम् इच्छामि रामेषु इति अहं निर्माणं करोमि। तदर्थं सूत्राणि अपि सन्ति। कानि सूत्राणि उपयोगं कर्तव्यं, एतस्य सन्दर्भस्य किं कृते सर्वाणि सूत्राणि एकत्रीकृत कृत्वा in one chapter स्थापितम् अस्ति। ओके, अतः तदस्ति प्रक्रिया। तदेव चिन्तयतु क्रियापदविषये। भू इति धातु अस्ति, आरम्भस्तरे भू इति धातु अस्ति। अनन्तरं वयं तस्य रूपाणि निर्माणं कुर्मः। भवति, भवतः, भवन्ति, अथवा भवत्, अथवा भवतु। तदर्थं कानि कानि सूत्राणि उपयोगम् अस्ति अथवा आवश्यकम् अस्ति, तत्सर्वम् एकत्रीकृत्वा एकत्र स्थापितवान्। अतः छात्राणां कृते बहु सुलभम् अभवत्। ओके, किमर्थं? कारणम् अष्टाध्याय्यां भिन्न भिन्न प्रदेशेषु भिन्न भिन्न सूत्रं प्राप्तव्यं। प्रति प्रक्रिया कृते यदा अहं राम आरभ्य रामेषु पर्यन्तं गन्तुम् इच्छामि चेत् एकत्र एकं सूत्रम्, अन्यत्र अन्यसूत्रं, तृतीयसूत्रं सम्पूर्ण अष्टाध्यायी जानामि चेत् तदा एव अहं प्रक्रिया निर्माणं कर्तुं शक्नोमि। परन्तु कौमुदी रीत्या यदा अहं कार्यं करोमि, एकत्रीकृत्वा एकमेव one chapter has got all the sutras which are associated with the derivation of Rama to all the forms of Rama. प्रति विभक्ति यदस्ति तत्र किं किं उपयोगं कर्तव्यं सूत्ररूपेण सर्वं एकस्मिन् स्थाने एव प्राप्नोमि चेत् मम कार्यं सुलभं भवति न। So that is what happened. So भिन्नता की कुत्र अस्ति? काशिका वृत्ति, कौमुदी वृत्ति। Okay. Kashika went according to Ashtadhyayi Kramaha. Okay. And Kaumudi went according to Prakriya. Got it? Okay. Idanim chintanam kurvantu. Which is more advantageous? Or what are the plus points in one and what are the plus points in the other? What are the minus points in one? What are the minus points in the other? Chintanam kurvantu. What do you all say?
प्रक्रिया जास्ति उपयोगमस्ति। प्रक्रिया प्रकारे जास्ति उपयोगमस्ति।
ओके। परन्तु यदा अहं पूर्वसूत्रं न जानामि तदा यत् सूत्रम् अहम् उपयोगं कर्तुम् इच्छामि तत् सम्पूर्णं न प्राप्नोमि। I need to know the previous sutra. Okay. So, plus points, minus points, dvayamapi asti.
द्वैतमपि पठितमस्ति कौशिका लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुदी द्वित्वमेव पठितमस्ति गन्तव्यम्
Okay. Vayam pashyamaha. That first sutram what we do, now there itself it will hit you. Okay. It will really hit you. Okay. Ataha atra kashika kramaha and kaumudi kramaha. This is what we are trying to compare. Kashika kramaha goes according to ashtadhyayi. Ashtadhyayi sutra kramaha. Kaumudi goes according to prakriya, topic wise. Okay. Now, when you look at the sutras in the ashtadhyayi kramaha, that is the kashika kramaha, there is a smooth flow of the meaning of the sutra. Why? Because the previous sutra intermingles with the next sutra, intermingles with the third sutra. It goes like that, according to need. So words from the previous sutra are not repeated in the next sutra. Getting it? Alpaksharam, we have already come across the character trait of sutram. So alpaksharam, asandigdam, Vishwato Mukham, all those things we have come across. So that Alpaksharam, how has he achieved it? By not repeating what he has said in the previous line or in the previous sutra. Okay. Therefore, you need to know the previous sutra in order to know which words from there to incorporate in the next sutra. Getting it? It's like, say for example, Vijayashri tells her son or daughter, I am going to see a movie. What is that one going to say? Mama, I too. Has he said the whole sentence? I am also coming with you to see the movie. Has he said the whole thing? No. Mama, I too, he said, and that's enough to be able to understand. I too am coming. It's taken from the previous sentence. This is a factor that is very, very prevalent in the Ashtadhyayi. Okay, we'll come across it. When I do the Halantyam Sutram, then you will know it sakshat katham tasya upyogam bhavati. Okay. And therefore, what happens? The flow is very smooth. When you learn Ashtadhyayi pattern, the flow is very smooth. The understanding of the sutra is better. And you get that sarvatho mukam, what Anuradha just now said. So you get the global meaning of the sutra. But the disadvantage is, in order to be able to get any rupam, final padarupam, you need to know from which portion, which sutra to apply, which means you need to know all the 4,000 sutras. Disadvantage. Come to Kaumudi pattern. In Kaumudi, the order of the sutras in the Ashtadhyayi has been changed. They have been redone. Redone how? According to
Topics.
Topic. Yeah, according to topic. Okay. So if I want to derive Vibhakti Rupam, all the sutras associated with Vibhakti Rupam, you will get in one place, in one chapter. You want Kriya Padasya Bhinna Bhinna Rupani, you will get all in one chapter. You want to create a Kridanta Rupam, you will get it in one chapter. You want to create a Tadita Rupam, you'll get it in one chapter. So it is all arranged according to what you need to derive. Okay, so it becomes very easy. But the disadvantage is the sutras that you are going to need to use, they are incomplete. And therefore, you need to complete them from the original Ashtadhyayi. The Me Too phenomenon, what I was talking about, you have to know which words from which sutra you have to add to the one that you need to use to complete it, so that you can use it correctly, comfortably. And therefore, which is the better book? Ashtadhyayi, okay, fine. Kashika pattern or Kaumudi pattern, which is better?
Kaumudi pattern, obviously.
You say Kaumudi pattern, okay. Anuradha.
Both we need to know.
Both we need to know, okay. Hema Rao.
Yeah, I agree. Both we need to know.
Vijayashree.
We go by Kaumudi factor. It is easier chapter wise, and wherever needed, we can refer to Ashtadhyayi.
How nice. Ramu.
Both you need to know.
Both we need, And Hemavati Shankar.
Yes, we need to have an idea. Otherwise, that will make it easier.
So, which is better, which to adopt? Ataha eva, you need a teacher who will guide you from where, what to study, in what order. Shastram is Shastram. Shastrasya avagamanam, abhyasam, pathanam usually is better from a guru. Okay. Ataha eva Shastra Patana Samaye, you have to respect the Shastram.
Use Microsoft Office daily.
Say again. I couldn't make out. Your voice is coming very, Ramu, your voice is coming very faint, yeah?
No, I didn't say anything.
You didn't say anything? Oh, okay. Okay, because I thought I heard somebody say something. Okay. Idanim. The order in which these things have appeared, let us see. Ashtadhyayi to vayam jnatavantah. Ashtadhyayi upari vritti, kashika vritti iti बहु प्रसिद्ध वृत्ति अस्ति. कः लिखितवान् अथवा कौ लिखितवन्तौ स्मरणे अस्ति? कौमुदी रचयिता, कौमुद्याः रचयिता forgotten, read and forgotten. Vivek, noted?
Varadaraj.
Varadaraj Bhattacharya. Varadaraj Bhattacharya.
कौमुदी नहीं, काशिका.
You ask Kaumudi.
न्यासः और पदमंजरी.
काशिका वृत्ति केन रचितम्? न?
Vamanah Jayaditya.
Vamanah and Jayaditya. Yeah. Okay.
Pustakastatu ya Vidya. So, from
they collaborated and did it. But there is some dispute there also. Half is written by this one, half is written by that one. Karke, there is a dispute. And who has done a better job? There is another dispute there also. But Kashika Vritti, Bahu Prasiddha Vritti Asti. And Kramaha api Ashtadhyayaha Kramaha eva Tatra Asti. Okay. Very well written book. And we refer to it very frequently. Those who are into grammar, huh? Not me. I have not looked at it. I dare not look at it. मम कृते तो बहु कष्टम् अस्ति. Okay. Idanim Siddhanta Kaumudi, you have now sort of stabilized. Ashtadhyayi Kashika one, Siddhanta Kaumudi another one. Now Siddhanta Kaumudi and Kashika have got the same number of sutras. There is no difference. Okay. 3983 Ashtadhyayam asti 3983 Bhattoji Dikshitena Rachita Vyakarana Siddhanta Kaumudyamapi Tadeva asti. Okay. Bhinnata tatra kramanka sutra kramanke nasti. Kevalam order of the sutras bhinnam asti. Okay. Now, students are students all over the world. Okay. Students' mentality, what does it say? Am I going to use 4,000, approximately 4,000 sutras? Am I going to use it on a daily basis? No, na. And therefore, Varadarajan Mahodaya, somewhere I read, how far this is true, don't ask me. Because Bhattoji Dikshit is given as 16th century, Varadarajan is given as 17th century. But at the same time, it is also said Varadarajan was a student of Bhattoji Dikshit. Okay. So, but Varadaraja Mahodaya was a student. So, Chhatrasya, what is it?
Perspective.
Yeah, from a student point of view, he said, okay, fine, let's knock off some of the unimportant sutras, which are not necessary for me to study so much. So he created what is known as Madhya Siddhanta Kaumudi. Okay. First, he created Madhya Siddhanta Kaumudi. So if you consider Siddhanta Kaumudi as 100% all sutras, Madhya Siddhanta Kaumudi had something like around 60% of the sutras. 40% he knocked off. He knocked off 40%. Then some more thinking got involved, and he said, even 60% is not necessary. Let's knock off some more. And he arrived at Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi. Okay. Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi has got 1270 sutras. Okay. Give or take a few upar niche. Okay. But it is like 30% of the Siddhanta Kaumudi. Okay. 30%. And then some other people got together and brought it down still further. They came out with Sara Siddhanta Kaumudi, which has got 20% of Ashtadhyayi, and Parama Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi, which has got only 10%. Okay. So it is like introductory. Now, coming to Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi, from any exam point of view, whether you want to do BA, MA, etc., Laghu Siddhanta, if you know thoroughly, you can manage. Similarly, if you are going to go deeper into any of the other Shastras, this much Paniniya Sutram, which you find in Laghu Siddhanta, that seems to be sufficient enough for you to be able to go ahead with other Shastras. Okay. So that is how Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi became so very popular. Okay. Why? Because it gave you an entry into other Shastras without any difficulty, where language and understanding of the grammar was concerned. Okay. So, Lagu Siddhanta Kaumani, Ekadasha Prakaranani Santi Tatra. And if you know all of them, you're clear for any Shastra study. Okay. Sahityam vadatu, Darshanam vadatu, Vedantam vadatu, Yatkimapi patitum ichhati, Sarvam patitum shaknoti. Tavat Vyakarana Jnanam asti chet paryaptam. You want to go deeper into grammar? Okay, fine. Then that's a different story altogether. Ekadasha prakaranani santi, tasmin sanya prakaranam iti ekam asti, tadeva vayam patishyamaha. Okay. Any questions so far? I've been talking too much.
Na bhagini. Na bhagini.
Now, Maheshwara Sutrani vayam kritavantaha. Okay. Huh? Sutra Lakshanam tadapi vayam kritavantah. Lakshanani kani? Huh? Anybody remembers?
Ha. Alpaksharam.
Alpaksharam,
Asandigdam.
Asandigdam,
Sarvat.
Anuradha.
Sarvat. Vishwato mukham. Astobham. Anavadyam.
Anavadyam. Sure. Okay. Ataha. Idanim vayam sutra. Okay. Before going to Sutra Prabhedaha, you all want to look at the answers for the Tilak Rao questions? Or you all already have the answers? Huh? No problem.
This time it was straight, so we didn't find any difficulties.
We can find out from the book, Mahoday. We can.
So, it's easy, huh?
Yeah.
It was easy. So
Yes.
I don't need to go over it now. All of you, Vivek, problems?
No, ma'am. They're in book. It's easy.
Book में सब answer मिल गया ना?
मिल गया.
Yes.
Ramu, any problem?
No. Good.
Ma'am, एक question.
No need to go over it. Okay, fine. So then we'll go forward, huh?
Ma'am, book का question number 3.
बोलो फिर से.
Book
Vivek, you're cut off.
question number 3. Book question number 3. Question number.
Fill in the blanks.
Question number 3 and sub question 4. उसका आंसर नहीं मिला.
Raghunath Sharma, that
Yes.
one.
Yes.
That is Amba Kantri.
It is there in the book,
It's
ma'am.
there in the book, huh? It's in
Kantri,
some
yeah.
corner. Yeah.
Yes.
Amba
Not in
Kantri.
the 5-6 page earlier to that it is there.
Yeah.
Amba Kartri.
Amba Kartri. Okay. All the other answers you all got?
Yes.
No problem, na?
No.
Okay, fine.
Yes.
Sorry, Bhagini, but I didn't attend 2 classes. You're talking about the exercises given in that Tilak Rao's book, is it?
Yeah. See, your homework was Tilak Rao book. Read the first 6 pages and
Okay.
page number 7. There is an exercise given based on those 6 pages. Okay. It is just an introduction to all the names, which is what we tried to do in the first 10-15 minutes.
Okay, I'll go through it.
Go through it. It is just a matter of curiosity. Like, it throws a whole lot of names of people and names of books that each one is associated with.
And it makes you feel that you know something.
Because you are now coming into Lagu Siddhanta Kaumudi, which is a Shastra, topic. Some knowledge from regarding Shastram, who has written what are the important works, who are the important people, That's
Ashtrakartaraha.
so
Okay, I'll do that. I'll do
yeah, it is just for information.
that. Okay,
There is
thank you.
no.
Dhanyawad.
I have yet to get the book, Bhagini, but I am seeing the soft copy only and then trying
Don't
to.
worry, don't worry. I did not ask you all to purchase the book.
No, I already placed the order, Bhagini, and they said they will dispatch it.
Oh, you
It
are
comes
getting
within
the book?
it comes within 2-3 days, you know,
It comes very fast.
very
No,
fast.
because I'm going to start one class with this Ashtadhyayi Pravesha. Maybe in another month or two, I'm starting one class only for Tilak Rao book. It's very interesting to read. So if you all have got and you all are interested, then you can join that class. That's different. That will be on some other day, and it is not Asha Kendra probably. It is just an experimental class, first
Yeah,
time.
if timings are suitable, we'll certainly join. Okay.
Let's see. Let's see. Jo hota hai, I can't really say. But there are about 5-6 people who have asked for it. So I said, why not? We'll all sit together and study. Na? See, basically, we study together. Okay.
We'll also go.
Study circle. More a study circle.
Yeah. Okay. Idanim. Sutra Prabhedaha. Any of you read about this? Sutra Prabhedaha. How many kinds of sutras are there? No? Vivek,
No, I
have you read it?
Samya Paribhasha
Ah,
Vidhi Niyamaha
ah,
Atideshaha Adhikaraha.
Shadvedam Sutra. Okay. Karika api asti tatra. Sanyachi paribhasha vidirniyama eva cha atideshodhikarascha Shadvedam Sutram uchyate. Okay. It is there in your what is it? Meda Michika. She gives all these things very nicely. Okay. What I would like to do is allow you all to read Sutra Prabhedaha topic next time. Now this is your homework, huh? Okay. This is your homework because this topic is very nicely dealt with by Meda Michika. Okay. But disadvantage over there is she has given lot of examples. Okay. Take only 1 or 2 examples as representative for that particular Prabhedaha. Don't think in terms of understanding the sutras that she has given, because she has gone deeper into the explanation of the sutras also. You don't need to break your heads over that. Okay. Ataha kevalam definition pathatu. 1 or 2 examples, note down, and that's enough. Okay. Don't go anything beyond that, because otherwise you will become, you'll say, I don't know anything. Okay. So now let us start. I wanted to start and I'm going to start. Sutra Prabhedaha Grahakaryam. I feel it's easy. If it doesn't turn out to be easy, next time we will discuss it. Don't worry about that.
But it's not there in Tilak Rao book. Sutra
No,
Prabheda.
it is in Meda Michika. Very well given. Okay. In Meda Michika, 1 minute, huh?
Bhagini, is that book hard copy is not available? What?
Which one?
Medha Michika.
Meda Michika is an Arsha Kendra book. Okay.
Because
You can order from Arsha Kendra if you want it.
Write to Anikati Ashram, you will get a hard copy.
Yeah. Hard copy you can get. But I prefer the soft copy because for me, I have eyes problem. So I need to increase the font size. Okay.
For me, gadget using is a problem for me. That's why I thought I would
Same
get
thing
a hard
with me, madam.
See,
That's why I always convert everything into digital.
and Medha Michika's book is available for download in 2-3 sites. I've given you all that information also. And since we've got to learn only about 68 or 90 pages, how many pages of Medha Michika we have to learn? 1 minute. Just let me see. Apna Panini course mein Medha Michika, how many pages I have put? We've got only 90 pages of Medha Michikas to study. Okay. Tilak Rao, we've got about 48 pages, and Medha Michika 90 pages out of some 300 odd pages. Yeah, that volume 1 is 300 and something pages. Okay, so that's why I did not insist on y'all buying the book now. Okay, if at all there is a part 2 for this and we go into Sandhi Prakaranam, then it might be worth buying. Not otherwise, yeah. Okay. So that's the reason why I said this much we have in hand. And of course, Vyoma videos are there now. Excellent videos are there. Okay. So I'm trying to manage within that much because this is only the first toe you're dipping into the
Vyakarana learning.
Sanskrita Vyakaranam.
Sea water.
So feel whether it is to your comfort level. Will you be able to put the whole foot? Will you be able to stand it? And then take a call. That's it. This is only an introductory course. Okay. So, Medha Michika, I think page number 11, it starts. The textbook, page 11, it starts. It says Sutra Prabhedaha, types of sutras, introduction chapter. Sanya cha paribhasha cha vidhir niyama eva cha atideshodhikarascha shadvidam sutra lakshanam. So from there you can get a whole lot of information. You all want me to share screen?
Not necessary.
Uma Bhagini, if you do not mind, just send that Medha Michika link down.
No. I have already put it up in your course material, yeah. In your Google classwork, the material is there.
Okay. Sorry, I look. Yeah.
It's all there, right? In the
No, I
link
remember
have
seeing somewhere, but I didn't remember where it was.
And even if you don't find it, in Google you put Medha Michika, you will get it.
I'll do.
Okay. So, I'm allowing you all to read that, and it's all in English. And you can also see the Vyoma videos. Sutra Prabhedaha ke liye. Okay. So, now let us go to our Sutra.
Soumyaji's videos.
Yeah. Soumyaji's. I've given you all that link also, na? How to access it. I have shown you all. Okay. So you can do from there also. Now, let's first sutra. Okay. At last we are coming to that. Prathama sutra masti halantyam. Adya to vayam Maheshwara sutrani na kritavantaha eva. Okay. Prathama karyam Maheshwara sutrani vaktavyam. Chalo. Hemavati. Maheshwara sutrani vadatu. दृष्ट्वा वक्तुमिच्छति वा शेयर स्क्रीन कर्तव्यं वा एवमेव अस्ति भवत्याः हस्ते?
प्रयत्नं करोमि. ऐवुण ऋलुक् एवं ऐ औच् हयवरट्
Nyamagananam.
Nyamagananam. Jhabang.
Jhabai.
Ghadadash. Oh, I left something.
Jhabai, Ghadadash. Jhabagadadash.
Jabagadadash.
Khapa Chatata.
Kapha Chatata. Chatatau. Kapai. Shasasar. Hal. Iti Maheshwarani Sutrani.
Iti Maheshwarani Sutrani. Anadi Sanyarthani. Okay. Then Eshamantya itaha akaradishvakaraha uchcharanarthaha lan madhye tu it sanyakaha.
That I don't have. I'll
Hey, it is there. I have sent it to you all. Course material mein it is there. The whole thing is there. Sutra syllabus iti shirshakam asti. Okay. पुनः विजयश्री तदेव वदतु.
I un lyric evong I ouch I avaret lun yamangananam jabanj gadadash jabagadadash kapha chatata chatatau kapai sashasar lan
Hal.
iti maheshwarani sutrani anadi sanyatani yesham antyayitah akaradishu akara uchcharanartah lan madhye tu it sanyakah.
सम्यक्. किमर्थम् अहं सम्पूर्णं वक्तुं वदामि वक्तव्यम् इति वदामि.
लघु सिद्धान्त कौमुदी गीता प्रेस बुक अस्ति. For MA we have purchased this book.
And that only I have copied here.
Okay.
Okay. What?
Yeah, it is there in the material also.
The course material, what I have put as sutra syllabus, it's exactly that. Only a little bit colorful it is made. Don't worry. Colorful.
I'm trying to memorize, but it's not getting into my mind.
No, don't worry. It will happen. Prati varge vayam etat sarvam vadamaha. So now what is the next thing that you are seeing over there?
Halantyam.
Halantyam. Now, halantyam yadasti, tatra sutram sampurnam nasti. Halantyam. Hal antyam. Vibhajanam kurmah chet. Hal antyam. Okay. What is it telling you? You don't understand. Okay. Ataha tatpurvam yat agatam tasya avagamanam avashyakam. Understanding? Now comes the nitty-gritty. Siddhanta Kaumudi Ritihi and Kashika Vritti Ritihi. Okay. Now, there was a previous sutram which said Upadesh. You have the sutram Upadeshe Janunasika It.
Upadeshe antyam hal iti syat.
Upadeshe antyam hal iti syat. That is a different issue altogether. There was another sutram before halantyam which said Upadeshe ach anunasika it. Upadeshe janunasika it. That is the, what is it? Sandhi Sahita Sutra. Upadeshe janunasika it. Upadeshe ach anunasika it. Iti tasya vibhajanam bhavati. Tataha Upadeshe padam swikritam asti. It padam swikritam asti. Are you all getting this now? Upadeshe padam swikritam asti. It padam swikritam asti. Etayoho sahayena halantyam iti sutrasya sampurnata vayam prapnumaha. Upadeshe antyam hal it. And then afterwards, you add one Kriya Padam from your side. Bhavati, Syat, Asti, whatever it is. So that your sentence is formed. Remember, in any sutra, 99.9% of the time, Kriya Padam na bhavati. Okay, Kriya Padam na bhavati. So, if you want to make it into a sentence form, Kriya Padasya avashyakata asti. Atah vayam adyahara rupena sthapayamaha. Okay. Normally, asti, bhavati, syat, this kind of Kriya Padam works. And that's sufficient enough for our purpose. Idanim, halantyam tatra hal antyam iti padadvayam asti. Purvasmin sutrat vayam upadesha iti padam swikritavantah, it iti padam swikritavantah. That is known as anuvrittihi. What is anuvrittihi? It is you take from the previous portion whatever is necessary and useful for completing the next one. Okay? So this anuvritti phenomenon you will not find in the Kaumudi. You need to know from where what words you need to bring down to complete. Okay? So, whereas if you learned it in the Ashtadhyayi pattern, this would have come automatically. Okay? Getting the difference? So, halantyam upadeshe antyam hal it syat. Okay. Idanim. Prashnaha udeti. What is hal? Chalo. Who's going to answer? Hema Rao.
Hal is
Hal
Vyanjana.
ityukte. Okay. Anuradha. Vadatu.
Hal is all Vyanjananis.
All Vyanjanas. Ityukte. Okay, fine. Hal means Vyanjanas. Okay. Antyam hal. Vijayashri. Artham kim? Antyam hal.
At the end of the Antyam.
At the end of the
Hal is the consonants.
that to Anuradha has already said. Hal ityukte consonant. Antyam hal ityukte?
Antyam means ante.
The hal which is at the anta. The hal which is at the end.
Ante bhavaha antyam.
Ante.
Bhavati.
In the Maheshwarani Sutrani, the end consonant which is coming, that is it. We should presume it as it.
Okay. Yada asmakam haste, there is a word. Now, the last letter of that word is a hal varnaha. Okay. Ataha ante hal asti. Tasya vayam kim kurmaha? Tasya vayam it. Iti sanya kurmaha. Okay. So, now, antya hal it. Tavat paryantam vayam avagatavantaha. Now, comes the big question, upadeshaha. Upadeshaha. Ramu, what do you say for upadeshaha? Anuradha, wait, Ramu, Vivek.
Na janam.
Na janati. Okay, Vivek, upadeshaha.
Upadesha is to be included what before is to be said into this for interpretation.
Let's see, Hemavati.
Sorry.
Okay.
I mean,
Yeah, today you're coming after a long time, so it's okay. Hema Rao.
Originally used by the grammarians. That is Upadesha.
Which grammarian?
Panini.
It can be Panini or Katyayana or Patanjali. Trimuni we say, na? So what they have uttered is taken as Upadesha Avastha. Anybody else has said anything else is not considered Upadesha Avastha. Getting it? Huh? So, Upadesha Avasthaya Yat Vayam Prapnumaha Tadasti Upadeshe. Huh? And in that Avastha, if there is a Halvarnaha at the end, then and then only you can consider it as it. Say, for example, we have been doing ayun, rilruk, ayong, ayaw, chaya, varat, lan, etc. etc. Tatra upadesha avastha asti va na. Huh? Supposing I take I un, a, I, un. Huh? Tatra upadesha avastha asti va na. Yeah, Hema. Hemavati. You want to say something?
I'm a little confused. I'm not able to answer. Sorry.
Huh? What is your confusion? Come on.
I still have not got the full Upadesha concept.
Huh.
Like,
Upadesha is Adyocharanam. What is Adyocharanam? Prathama varam ucharitam asti. Okay. Huh. Prathama varam ucharitam asti. Adi sthare.
what is said before, the first time.
What is said first time?
For the first time.
For the first time. Huh. And normally, what is said for the first time by Trimuni is considered as Adyocharanam. Okay. Huh. अतः यदा माहेश्वरसूत्राणि वयं स्वीकुर्मः तत्र आद्योच्चारणम् आगच्छति वा न?
No, Bhagini.
So from where did that come?
Told Maheshwara Sutrani is told by Panini.
So Adi Ucharanam na?
Adi Ucharanam. Yes.
अतः एव आ इ उण् यदस्ति तत्र नकारः प्रथमसूत्रस्य नकारः यदस्ति तत्तु वयम् इत्संज्ञा इति वयं स्वीकृतवन्तः.
Yes.
From so many days we have been happily using that. तत्र नकारः ऋल् तत्र ककारः तत्सर्वं चतुर्दश इत्संज्ञकवर्णाः वयं दृष्टवन्तः.
So all are Upadesha.
They are all Upadesha Avastha.
Okay.
Upadesha Avasthayam हल् वर्णः अस्ति अतः तस्य इत्संज्ञा कर्तुं शक्नुमः.
Okay.
Getting the difference? Okay. Any questions? Next time I will try to do some examples where you can use halantyam and get the usable form. Okay. Now supposing you say anpratyaharaha. Okay. Anpratyaharaha, what are the usable portion? What's the usable portion of anpratyahara?
A, I, U.
A, I, U. So what have you done? Halantyam iti sutrena nakarasya itsanya kritva tasya lopah kritam. Ataha upayogi bhagah vayam praptavantah. Getting it? Yeah. Okay. Getting clear? Some examples I will do next time. Okay, so one sutra. My aim was to do one sutra today at least. Successful.
That sutra is Upadeshe Ach Anunasika. Na?
No.
Ah.
The sutra which we did is Halantyam.
Alan. Oh.
That is the first sutra which is appearing in your Laghu Siddhanta Kaumadi. Vijayashri, am I right? Huh? That's the first sutra which is appearing.
ma'am.
But Halantyam in itself is incomplete. This is what I wanted to bring to your notice. When you use Kaumudi pattern, which is what we are following, Tatra, you have to complete some of the parts. And in order to complete Halantyam, Hal Antyam, we've got two words. Padadvayam asti asmakam hasti. Parantu tat sampurnam nasti. So we take from a previous sutram, Upadeshe janunasika iti tatpurvam ekam sutram asti. Tataha Upadeshe and it padadvayam svikritya Halantyam sutrasya sampurnata kurmaha. Ataha Upadeshe antyam hal it iti sampurna sutram bhavati. Tatra adhyahara rupena kriyapadamapi sthapayamaha. Upadeshe antyam hal it syat. Okay? Falling in place now?
Somewhat.
Somewhat only, don't worry. Somewhat only it will happen. Huh? Because if this is your first exposure, it will happen only somewhat. Okay. Okay. So next time, I will try to bring for you all a few words where you have to use the sutra and derive the remaining form. Okay? For next time, your homework is Sutra Prabhedaha. Okay? Sutra Prabhedaha, Karika Likhantu, Prabhedaha Likhantu. Each Prabhedaha, what is the simple explanation, slight explanation, and take 1 to 2 examples for each pattern. Like say, for example, Sanya Prakaranam. Now, Halantyam is one of the sutrams that we have come across. Straight off, you can write that, isn't it? Huh? So,
What we have to write, madam? So I didn't understand. Halantyam Sutra.
no. Take any example. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Sutra Prabhedaha is what you have to do as homework. Shat Prabhedaha Santi Tattavayam Kevalam Namani Drishtavantaha Parantu Prati Namasya Kinchit what is it? Spashtikaranam Kartavyam and Udaharanamapi Datavyam. That's it. Okay? Clear?
Prabhedaha ke bhavati ekavaram vadu. षट्.
Sanya cha paribhasha cha vidirniyam eva cha atideshodhikarascha shadvidam sutramuchyate. There in your Meda Michika, open that page, page number 11. I have told you all also. Straight over there it is sitting and the explanation goes into I don't know how many pages, 20, 30 pages probably. You don't need to do all that much. Just go for each of the title, look at the explanation given for that particular Prabhedaha and take 1, 2 examples. She has given in-depth explanation for the sutras which she has taken as example. You don't need that. Okay. She's done a very in-depth study. Okay, chalo. Idanim aham samapayami. Prashnaha santi va tatpurvam. Na? Chalo. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vavishyate. Om Shanti. Dhanyavadaha. Punarmilam.
Dhanyavadaha.
Don't forget to send your
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಭಗಿನಿ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ
what is it?
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.